Hold on a second. Hey, thanks for the dirt shower. Hey Crusaders, we're here at Off-Road United, Crawling for the Fallen 2023. So it is about 9:06, so festivities should be starting, opening ceremonies and just everything going on. I'm here with Doc Martin, staying in his toy hauler, so it makes it nice. But throughout the day you'll see all kinds of a vast amount of Jeeps and Jeep modifications. We're here with our Mitsubishis. We have some friends coming in. John Berkmeyer's going to be here. He's going to be here with his Xterra. We have a guy named Nick that came in from Daytona. He's in a first gen Mitsubishi Montero. And we got our friends from Winter Haven, and they're all in their Mitsubishi Monteros and also the Toyota FJ. And who's this guy? There's Doc. And so sit back and hope you enjoy the day. Okay guys, like most of our videos, I mean, I do pretty much highlight the Monteros since we have Monteros, but this is a awesome example of a first generation Mitsubishi Montero. So if you notice, it's boxy, but it has that classic line. Sometimes people get confused with the first gen Monteros and the Isuzu Troopers, but I mean, this thing is just made to play. Absolutely made to play. I was talking with Nick, the owner, and he said the other week, this orange line right here, he had water up to that orange line, and with the snorkel, he kept that thing running, and he made it out just fine. So,
Actually, I went with a hose. He just went crazy with a hose, sprayed it out, and put it up on a incline, and just sprayed it out, and I opened up those plugs on the bottom, and just drilled holes to the carpet and just let it drain out.
Okay. So is that after you got up to the water line?
Yeah, that scared the crap out of me. I kept it running the whole time.
Yeah.
Thank God, because I don't have a catalytic converter or anything, so it would have been right into the engine. Right. And I was so ill prepared. I made so many mistakes, dude. I learned a lot from that. So I should have already been tied up to the guy behind me to just yank me out, because I didn't know how deep that was. And it looked okay, but I mean, obviously it was just a big hole right there. Yep. And so that was just stupid.
We'll tie up on a winch and run it free spool. And if anything happens, you lock it in and pull them right back out.
Yeah, I should have either had something. I should have had it already. I should have had my rope already. I had my rope in the back. I couldn't even get to my rope because
you couldn't open the door.
Because I couldn't open the doors. Yeah. So I'm reaching through here trying to. It was a cluster.
It's just chump stuff here, man. He was talking about Jeep's high centering, not Montero's, I guess. Hold on a second. Hey, thanks for the dirt shower. Hey Riley, tell him to stop a second. Tell him to hold on. Go. Hey, that's a kinetic rope. She needs the elastic effect to get him going, so she's got to punch it. It's a kinetic rope. It's not a tow strap.
How much stretches it have? About 20% or 30? Yeah, go.
She needs to snatch it.
Yeah, just punch it.
I want to say that everybody who came out to volunteer for Crawling for the Fallen, I appreciate each and every one of you, except one person. But I won't let my personal feelings get into that, and I'll let the video play. Hey Crusaders, I am going to turn the volume off on this video. In the heat of the moment, things were being said, and although I was not using profanities, some volunteer used profanities towards me. But I'm just going to let the video play, and I just want all people who are overlanding or off-roading to know how to properly use their equipment and how to properly extract people when they're stuck. And I'll just leave it at that. I do want to say that the organizers of the event were very attentive to my grievance, and they are looking at what they need to do in the future, and I appreciate it very much. All right, so John Berkmeyer showed up.
Carolina thing that I just did. The best
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we found the unicorn. He's here.
Yeah, sometimes I show up for stuff.
Yeah. Now we gotta see what this guy's gotten into.
Oh, really?
All right, so here's the booze batch plate. It's supposed to go over the transfer case, and we're not quite sure how it happened, but possibly
That was that rock.
either a rock or dirt. We're not sure, but this was under Doc's Gen
Does this
3.
just slide up under something and then it bolts?
Yeah.
So that's what Doc has been getting into. Too fast. Slow down. it's both sides.
Huh?
Both sides. You're dragging a front. You pulled the front ARB down. A little bit of wheel hop there. After we finished trail riding, we went to the raffle tent to buy our raffle tickets for all the different prizes. Also, we bought our ticket for the fundraiser Jeep. There is a large vendor area also at KRAWL'N for the Fallen. Once we finished with the raffle area, we went back to the campsite and Steve made his famous steak dinner for us. We all sat around the fire and had great fellowship with our friends. Crusaders, please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and as always, God bless, and I hope to see you on your own crusade.